Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra with another series of moral story. This moral story is very interesting because in this moral story we are going to cover five moral stories in 5 minutes. Let's get it started. The mysterious map. Lily found an old map in her attic. It led to a hidden treasure. Nearby, she followed the clues with her friends and discovered a box of toys to share. Lily learned that adventures are more fun with friends. So, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is adventures are better when shared. Students, now let's talk about some adventures. So, first, let's talk about what is adventure. Adventure is a fun, exciting experience that takes you out of the usual routine. Let's explore some of the adventures in physics or mental adventures. Do you know when I was kid, I used to hide simple clues around my house, and I used to play this with my brother and sisters, that we hide some stickers, candies, and all the things, little things, small toys for fun. Do you do these types of adventures with your friends and family members or your siblings? Please comment and tell me what type of adventures do you like to do. Whether you like to do some physical, like physics, that is include physics and chemistry adventures, or any related to anything that can be mental maths or sports, outdoor and indoor. Do comment and tell me your adventures. All right, story number two. Let's begin. Oliver's ocean journey. Oliver's the octopus. Do you like octopus, students? Alright, so Oliver the octopus wanted to explore the ocean. He met colorful fish and a wise old turtle who taught him about teamwork. So, together they navigated challenges, showing Oliver's that working together makes adventures even more exciting. That is true, as you can see in the picture also. Oliver's journey, and it's the ocean journey. Do you like sea animals, students? Do tell me in the comment section that do you like sea animal and what's your favorite sea animal? And do you want to know that your teacher is having some fishes at the home? Do you want to see that? So, what's the moral of the story? Teamwork makes every journey even better. Teamwork means people working together toward a common goal, combining different strengths. When everyone listens, shares their ideas, and support each other, the task becomes more enjoyable. Let's move to the next story. I think I can believe. So believe in yourself. This is the story. I think I can believe in yourself. A little train wanted to climb a big hill. Despite doubts, the train chugged along, repeating, I think I can, I think I can. Determined, the train reached the top and discovered that believing in oneself makes all the difference. And that is true. Believe in yourself means trusting your abilities and worth even even when you are in doubts. Keep trying, keep, struggling. Keep trying shows that efforts beats talents, turning small steps into big progress. Every mistake is a lesson that brings you closer to success. Stay confident, stay consistent. You have the power to achieve whatever the task is. So, what is the moral that we have learned from this story, students? Believe in yourself and keep trying. This is the very important moral. All right, so now we have another story. In the next story, we are going to talk about a baby girl. A little girl named Mia wished for a rainbow. One day she climbed a hill and found a rainbow in the clouds. She turned that even wishes can come true with a little patience and a positive attitude. So what is the moral of the story is patience can lead to a beautiful surprises. Patience is waiting calmly, trusting the process even when things take time. It lets you think clearly, make better choices, and stay focused. When you wait with patience, unexpected things happen. This is true. All right. So, we have another story, and the last story of this series, this video, Fifi and the magical paintbrush. Fifi found a magical paintbrush that brought her paintings to life. She painted flowers that danced and animals that sang. Fifi learned that creativity can create joy and wonder in the world. So, the moral of the story is creativity can bring magic to life. Creativity turns ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. It lets you imagine new possibilities and solve problems in fresh ways. When you create, you add colors, wonders, and magic to everyday life. The girl is so pretty, isn't she? Do you like girls, everyone? Like pretty small baby girls? They are so cute, and I like babies, by the way. So, students, these are some moral stories which I have shared. Hope this video is useful for all of you in learning English. And let's, just share this as much as you can because when we share, it multiplies. Stay tuned, stay blessed, hit on the bell icon for the upcoming videos and series. Stay connected with the Smart English with Miss Bushra.